Wow, ang ganda mga pre. Parang sa pelikula lang. Sa mga cartoon series ko lang nakita magandang palasyo. Pero dito tunay na to pre. Ang lupet. Malalim to pre. Ah. Mahaba tong hagdanan pababa. Pag may gout, bawal dito. Okay, make sure you're fit to go to Thailand. Kasi lakad tayo ng lakad mga chong.
Если у нас есть какой-то запас, то может по одной взять. Все равно поднимать придется самому.
So mas maganda kung magra-rubber shoes kayo dito pumunta. So kasi mas comfortable siya kaysa sa slippers. Huwag ding magsasandals at huwag magbabakya. Pag tapilok ka dito, yari ka. Okay, dahan-dahan lang ang pag step. Kahoy itong itong hagdanan dito. Pawis na ako pre. Okay lang. Bang pa lang to. Thank you. So, safety muna. Baka malaglagan tayo ng... May mga debris ba dyan? May mga debris? Construction?
Where's the mirror? You used to have here.
It's working. It's recording. Chinese ba to?
由于真地圣域里面没有卫生间，如果哪位游客想要上卫生间，可以先上一。
45 minutes. 45 minutes. Patay. 45 minutes.
45 minutes tayo sa loob.
Okay. Kala ko 45 minutes na palabas. Mainit pa naman. So, tanakot ako nun ah. Kala ko 45 minutes sa labas. So, papasok tayo sa loob ng templo. Alright.
可以做快艇吗？我们就直接去做快艇就好。
没有，以后我们那个进员工都在。哇，这个很好用。包装嘛，可以要煮锅。然后我们有时候。
Oh, this is how they do it here. bring, you bring ma? Did not bring?
I don't bring any cup.
Mami, may magandang kuhaan doon, no? Kung gusto magpakuha doon, kita yung dagat. Tsaka doon sa likod.
You want that? You want ano? Dati? Dati. Para ka naglalakad.
Dito.
Dito tayo. Wali pina. May tao kasi dyan eh. Ayan o, dito daddy. Go, go, go. You.
Ganda. The Sanctuary of Truth, also known as Pasat Sachatam in Thai, is a huge wooden structure situated in Pattaya, Thailand. It was designed by Lek Biriyapan, a Thai businessman. The construction is a unique combination of temple and castle, themed around Eastern philosophies and beliefs, particularly those Hinduism and Buddhism. It is Thailand's largest wooden building. Construction started in 1981 and it is still ongoing. Even though the project is still unfinished, guests are permitted to enter while wearing hard hats for safety concerns. The Sanctuary of Truth is entirely made of wood. No nails, may daing, may taken, may pachaat, and teak are the types of wood utilized in the construction. The wooden sanctuary stands 105 meters, or 344 feet tall. The inside space is likewise extremely large, at 2,115 square meters. The Sanctuary of Truth is a renowned tourist site that has been honored for its cultural value, receiving the Thailand's Best Travel Industry Award of 2008. Ayun na, mag-out tayo ha.
Hindi, maglalakad tayo na malayo.
Okay, sige, pangatawa natin ito pre.